School is considered to be the second home of any child. As they enter the school, they carry with them energies from their home. That is why, for the proper mind development, the ambience in the school and home needs to be synchronized. If not, the child can get confused and will lead to emotional imbalances. Nowadays, we can see parents do not have time to create the right atmosphere in home and depend entirely on the school. Yes, the parents do contribute for the physical development, but for the mental development, ambience in the home is equally important. So it's time more and more parents become aware and most importantly implement this in their homes. A simple exercise which can be done is asking the child about their day in school. This will help the parents to understand the atmosphere in school and behave accordingly. Most of the parents know this, but then what is stopping them? A question to all the parents. Don't you love your children enough to do this simple exercise? Please remember, your child is your responsibility till they become responsible.